everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it's Lynn here. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm here with my video for the Alphabet Challenge 2024 hosted by Hilary at Pink Bubble Cards here on YouTube. So every 2 weeks Hilary pulls out a prompt, a letter from the alphabet, and this time she pulled the letter R for rainbow. I am going to show you what I create for the challenge. So I've got myself a piece of my white smooth cardstock, and it is from the Creative Craft product. I've also got this stencil here, and what I'm going to do is start with some ink pads, and I'm just going to start in the top corner here, and I'm just going to start popping my ink on like that. Looks a bit more pink, I think, than red. Just go over that a little bit and start with the reddy colour. Pop a little bit more there just to darken that down. Like that. Then I'll grab my yellow and I'm just going to come in with the yellow like this. I'm also getting the chance to use my new finger daubers. It's the first time I've actually used these, so they seem quite nice. And I'll just try and blend that in a bit. And a little bit more there at the end, like that. Okay. And just try blending that in a little bit better up there. Should have really had, I think, a little bit of tape to keep this down, but it seems to be okay. Not moving too much. So now on to my pink. I'm a bit late with this today, but however, time just kind of flies away with itself. Yeah, that looks good. Put that one off. So that is the pink. I've finished with my ink pads, and then all I want to do before I remove the stencil, we've got this lovely sort of fluted edge here on both sides of the stencil. So what I would like to do is just cut around the stencil. So now I'm just going to pull the stencil away, and that looks rather pretty. I'm just going to trim the top and the bottom, I think, yeah. I'm just going to pop off and get my little daubers washed. Removed my stencil now, and I've taken this little flower stamp, stamped it in some black ink. I'm popping some foam pads across the back, and I'm just going to pop this in the, oops, just in the top corner. And I've just taken a sentiment for someone special. I've popped some foam pads onto the back, and we'll just peel those off now. and I'm going to pop this just into the center. There we go. And I've decided to cut another one of these out and pop some more foam pads, and I'm just going to pop that into this corner here at the bottom, like so. So I've got one at the top corner and one in the bottom. My sentiment in the middle for someone special. Then in the center of some of the little flowers, I've just popped some gems there to finish it off. And yeah, this is my creation for the alphabet challenge, which is R for rainbow. Don't forget to head on over to Hilarys channel, Pink Bubble Cards, here on YouTube. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back with another video very soon. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you all soon, and bye-bye for now.